The story of life starts with a race. Only one can win. Sperm begin their epic journey swimming through the female body, searching for the egg. Once found, only one sperm breaks through, merging with the egg. This fusion creates a brand new cell, one single spark, marking the start of a unique human life. Let's start from the beginning. In the male reproductive system, millions of sperm are produced daily. Each sperm takes about 74 days to fully develop, transforming from a simple cell into a specialized swimming machine. A mature sperm has three main parts: the head containing DNA, the midpiece packed with energy, and the tail for propulsion. During ejaculation, about 300 million sperm begin their race. They're carried in seminal fluid, which provides nutrients and protection for their journey ahead. The first challenge is the acidic environment of the vagina, which eliminates many sperm within hours. Surviving sperm must navigate through the cervix, where thick mucus acts as both barrier and filter, allowing only the strongest to pass. In the uterus, muscular contractions help propel sperm forward, but also eliminate weaker swimmers. Only about 200 sperm reach the fallopian tubes, where the final race to the egg takes place. Meanwhile, in the female reproductive system, an egg has been preparing for this moment. Each month, one follicle matures, growing larger and preparing to release its precious cargo. During ovulation, the mature egg bursts from the ovary, beginning its own journey. The egg, much larger than sperm, is swept into the fallopian tube by tiny hair-like structures called cilia. As sperm travel through the female tract, they undergo capacitation, a final maturation process. This process enhances their swimming ability and prepares them for the final challenge. When sperm finally encounter the egg, they face their ultimate test. The egg is surrounded by a protective layer called the zona pellucida. Sperm must bind to specific proteins on this surface. Once bound, sperm release enzymes from their head in a process called the acrosome reaction. These enzymes digest a path through the zona pellucida, allowing one sperm to reach the egg's surface. The moment of fertilization occurs when the sperm and egg membranes fuse, allowing the sperm's genetic material to enter. Immediately, the egg triggers a cortical reaction, hardening its outer layer to prevent other sperm from entering. Inside the fertilized egg, both sperm and egg nuclei form pronuclei, each containing half the genetic blueprint for a new human. These pronuclei move toward each other, and their genetic material combines, creating a unique genetic code. The fertilized egg, now called a zygote, contains all the genetic information needed to create a complete human being. Within 24 hours, this single cell divides into 2, then 4, then 8 cells, beginning the incredible journey of human development. As it continues dividing, the embryo travels down the fallopian tube toward the uterus, where it will implant and grow. From 300 million sperm to one successful fertilization, this incredible process represents one of nature's most remarkable achievements. Every human life begins with this extraordinary journey, a testament to the miracle of reproduction and the wonder of life itself.